Building a business can be overwhelming. That's why we should leverage all the resources we can get. Welcome to Groove Digital, and today we are counting down our picks for the top 10 reasons you should build your business on GrooveFunnels.
This place mows. This is a business of some kind?
Number 10. GrooveFunnels is home to the #1 website, sales page, and funnel building platform in the world called GroovePages. GroovePages is a drag and drop page and funnel builder, reinvented. Many would even call it the new, better way to build funnels and sell digital products online. Not only is it super packed with features, but you can pretty much create any kind of website you want just by clicking and dragging different elements on the page. Whether you want to build branded websites, sales pages, or product funnels, GroovePages may be the last site builder you will ever need.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Number 9. GrooveFunnels is more than just a page builder. It actually includes everything you need to sell products and services online. Professional websites are essential, but in order to set up your business for long-term growth, having a nice website isn't enough. That's why GrooveFunnels is actually a complete online sales system for products and services. For starters, in addition to building your page, you also get web hosting, a subdomain, and the ability to use your own custom domain if you'd like. But that's not all. With GrooveFunnels, you can get all the tools you need to run your entire online business. As part of a suite of top-of-the-line marketing products, GrooveFunnels also has an advanced shopping cart sales system, autoresponder software, webinar application, membership site platform, a built-in affiliate marketing program, and other tools for keeping track of your schedules, surveying your customers, and revolutionizing your video marketing, just to name a few. Forget about investing thousands a month to manage a never-ending set of tools and logins. GrooveFunnels is all you need.
That's too much information!
Number 8. GrooveFunnels is created by internet marketing experts for internet marketers and business owners. The problem with many of the tools out there is while they might have good software, they are not created for the average internet marketer or business owner. Their applications may be too hard to use or are overly complicated and maybe don't include all the necessary features. Perhaps the monthly pricing plans are too high for those who are on a budget. And certainly, it can be a challenge to communicate with their support team, especially if they can't speak your jargon, and that's if they even respond to you at all. In short, they simply don't understand us.
I don't know what to tell you. Did you fill out all the forms?
Well, the good news is that CEO and co-founder of GrooveFunnels is Mike Filsaime, one of the top internet marketers in the world who has been in the industry since 2004.
I'm Mike Filsaime.
Mike has the reputation of not only being an internet marketing expert, but he also created some of the best software for marketers, such as Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, and Butterfly Marketing, which have all been responsible for making millions for his customers. And now you have the opportunity to leverage all those years of experience Mike has in creating state-of-the-art software to secure his best program suite to date as a member of the GrooveFunnels community.
Hasbro's best thing ever! Ah! It's so awesome! I want it!
Number 7. GrooveFunnels is perfect for absolute beginners. Everyone knows making websites and using advanced software can be a technical process. There are many business owners who invest into supposedly simple software, only to find out that they are not as easy as they were advertised, and either required them countless hours to learn the program, or forced to hire more technical employees to run and manage the tools for them. Not GrooveFunnels. As advanced as the technology is, GrooveFunnels has actually been created with the absolute newbie in mind. No programming, no coding, and no design skills are required whatsoever. In fact, thousands of brand new beginners with no experience whatsoever have been able to successfully build their very first website, integrated with the best tools on the market, with results even more professionally designed than expensive web developers. When combined with some of the other GrooveFunnels products, you can also set up your own shopping carts, sales systems, marketing funnels, affiliate programs, email autoresponders, live and automated webinars, and a whole lot more with just a few clicks of a button. If you can type, copy and paste, drag and drop, click and scroll, you can use any of the programs available with GrooveFunnels.
It's a simple job.
Number 6, personalized customer service for all your support needs. Probably one of the worst experiences anyone can have as a customer is when there is a lack of customer support or when help is not provided. GrooveFunnels understands the value of their customers. So when you need help, there won't be any beating around the bush. In fact, you will get the help you need whenever you need it. The customer support team of GrooveFunnels is one of the most active and helpful. You will find a professional help desk where you can ask any questions you may have, and their team will respond to your inquiries in a timely manner. Their help desk also includes a ton of resources, including articles, videos, and frequently asked questions, so you can even browse through the existing content and search for answers for whatever you may need. No question will ever go unanswered, so you can rest assured that you have an extremely positive customer experience.
Go ahead and ask customer service. What was the name of the person who first called you for customer service?
Have I answered all your questions in a satisfying and courteous manner?
Number 5, you will be part of an active community of experts, fellow members, and aspiring entrepreneurs. GrooveFunnels is not just a product and service provider, which means that you won't just be a customer. When you are with GrooveFunnels, you will be in a community of internet marketing experts, fellow GrooveFunnels members, and other aspiring entrepreneurs who are all learning how to build an online business together. The moment you sign up, you will be invited to join our exclusive Facebook group where everyone hangs out, actively participating in discussions, asking each other questions, and helping out one another. It's truly a remarkable place to get inspired, learn from fellow members, and meet new friends. The entire GrooveFunnels team, including Mike Filsaime himself, is also actively involved inside this private group, and along with fellow Groove members, this is the place to be to take your own business and education to the next level.
We're a team, Brian, whether you like it or not. Just like almond butter and no sugar-added fruit preserves.
Number 4, access an online academy full of extremely valuable resources. When it comes to learning how to use all the amazing software, GrooveFunnels also puts in the extra effort to provide you with all the help you need. As a GrooveFunnels member, you will also get access to the powerful Groove Digital Academy. This private membership area will house an ever-growing archive of educational content, including specific tutorials on how to do certain tasks within the tools, step-by-step walkthroughs on how to get something up from the beginning to end, as well as live demos of longer lessons, such as building entire sites and funnels from the ground up. Whether you would prefer to watch them as tutorial videos or read through them in articles complete with screenshots, GrooveFunnels has made their online academy suitable to you in whatever way you would like to learn.
Can we have class outside? No.
Number 3, regular live webinars and training sessions multiple times every week. How active is active? When we mention that GrooveFunnels is an active community, we totally mean it. Not just within the Facebook group or through the online academy. An expert team at GrooveFunnels also takes time multiple days every week to provide fellow members with regular live training. There are official webinars with additional presentations and walkthroughs, as well as almost daily YouTube and Facebook Live sessions on a variety of topics, all designed to help you make the best use of your GrooveFunnels membership. In fact, you can even request your own topics for the GrooveFunnels team to prepare, and they will take those requests into consideration when going live with the next session for you. Pretty awesome, right? This honestly shows that GrooveFunnels definitely has their customers' best interest in mind with everything that they do.
You love me! You really love me!
Number 2, make money with GrooveFunnels. Even though GrooveFunnels is an all-inclusive system to grow your business, you can also make money directly with GrooveFunnels. All members can participate in what they call the Groove Partner Program. By spreading the word about GrooveFunnels, you have the opportunity to make money online as an affiliate marketer. This means you don't need to worry about creating a product or service, building a team, handling customer support, or anything related to traditional businesses. All you need to do is share about GrooveFunnels, and you could earn up to 40% recurring commission on your sales. And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, don't worry. GrooveFunnels provides you training on that as well. Complete with tutorials, promotional tools, and online support, the Groove Partner Program could be the perfect side hustle for a busy professional, and even a full-time income if you decide that you want to do affiliate marketing full-time.
Just like that, I made $2 grand. The other guys looked at me like I'd just discovered fire.
Now, before we get to our top pick, here are 3 honorable mentions. Whenever there are major announcements, GrooveFunnels members will always be the first to know. They will be posted in the Facebook group, and fellow members will also have the chance to provide their feedback and opinions. Definitely nothing like being part of an exclusive group that gets first dibs on information before anybody else. As a software provider, one can also expect constant updates. This means that you can always expect to be running on the latest and greatest version of the tool without having to worry about outdated functions that no longer work. And unlike most other software companies out there won't be any additional charges, as the same updates are available for all members who use the tools. GrooveFunnels members will also receive surprise bonuses. New announcements and updates can happen at any time, and as a member, the good news is you will be part of any new improvements to the tools and the community. For example, a recent surprise bonus introduced the launch of a new weekly webinar series where the GrooveFunnels team brings on a special guest expert to teach fellow GrooveFunnels members new skills and lessons. At GrooveFunnels, you can be sure that you will never stop learning and never stop growing.
Wow, that's awesome.
I'm not even mad. That's amazing.
Excellent!
Number 1. It's free for life. Let's save the best for last, shall we? Getting started with GrooveFunnels won't cost you anything. While some software tools out there may offer things like 14 or 30-day trials before they begin charging you a monthly fee, you can start GrooveFunnels today for free. And it's not just free for 14 days, 30 days, or even 90 days. Your GrooveFunnels membership will be free for life. And what exactly do you get for free? Well, remember Groove Pages, the page and funnel builder we talked about? You will be able to get a lifetime membership to this tool that will allow you to create up to 3 funnels. Yes, lifetime. Which means that you won't be deactivated from the tool after a certain period of time, and you won't lose restrictions to the features you already have. You get free access for life. This includes not just the free page builder, but also your free hosting, free subdomain, and even the capability to publish your site onto your own custom domain name for free. You will also have free access to the full version of GrooveCell, as well as the light version of several other tools within the GrooveFunnels suite of products. And of course, your membership into the Facebook group, access to the Academy, webinars, training, those are also 100% free for you to access for as long as you'd like. Remember, GrooveFunnels is a community, and even if you choose to never upgrade your account, your membership will remain intact and you will always have access to the team. The only thing standing in the way between you and your lifetime membership is your free account. So sign up for that right now, and we'll see you inside of our Facebook group community.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.